Hey friends, my name is Naresh Mahato. I have a very important thing to share with you, and it is like helpful for everybody. Most of you may face, not most of you, everybody may face negative emotions coming to your mind, entering your mind every now and then. You're trying to stop it, but you're not able to do it. There is two process which I have developed, and one two process I'll be sharing. One I developed myself, and the second one is I got it from one of my colleague, and it is, let me tell you. First one is, now before sharing this two secrets now which you can stop this negative emotion entering your head. Now see how it's difficult, when the negative emotion is going inside your head, it's draining away all your energy. Now if you don't have energy, then do you think you'll be able to focus in your work and become 100% productive? If not 100%, can you become 80% also? No, it's very very difficult actually. So you need to have a lot of energy, and if negative emotion entering your head, it is draining away all your energy. Now how to retain those energy actually? Now how to stop thinking? The actual question is how to stop thinking about the negative things. Can you do this? I was trying before to stop these negative things, but I was not able to do. With fail, I could not do. Again, some people also try to do that. They were trying to control the negative things in their mind. They are trying to stop the mind actually. You cannot do this. It's very difficult. But you can do one thing. First one is, if you wanted to stop these negative feelings going inside and draining away all your energy and making you fatigued and making you tired, you can do one thing. First one is, start thinking about the positive thing. You cannot remove the negative things, but you can insert the positive things. The negative thing will go away. In place of negative things, insert the positive thing. The negative thing will go away. So that way you can do, and it's very effective. I have applied in my life. But you need to implement and you need to practice it. Whenever negative emotion got inside the head, start thinking about the positive things. Think about something like, take positive affirmations. All the good is happening in my life. All the good is happening. Good is happening into your life. You are growing. You are developing. All the positive information you take. Whatever, I just gave you a few examples. Now second one, let me share with you. Second one is like, whenever negative emotion is entering inside your head constantly, it's streaming inside, just imagine that you are having a seizure in your finger, in your hand, and you are going to cut it. This connection, it is getting streamed inside your head. You are cutting from this way, you are cutting from this way, and you disconnected this, and now for some time you feel that there is no negative emotion. Just imagine that you are disconnecting the wire or the stream. You're disconnecting the stream of this negative emotion entering your head, and then you feel that there is no such negative emotions. Again, if come after some time, then again you start disconnecting from both the side, and then negative emotion will go away. I have implemented in my life. Try in your life, see how it's happened. If it has worked for me, I'm sure it is going to work in your life also. Whenever any negative emotion entering your head, start acting like you have a scissor in your hand. Just disconnect it from both the side. Disconnect it. Just disconnect it, and then this negative emotion will go away. I mean, for some time it is a pause. So it's a very helpful for me. Just try in yourself, try in your life how it works. If it works, it's well and good. We can help others people, and you can share with other people how it works. It's really helpful. I learned from one of my colleague, and she used to do this way. And the first one which I told you, whenever negative emotion is going into your head, you cannot remove it actually, but you can infuse something else. Like bring the positive thing, bring the positive affirmation that no bad can, all the good is happening in my life. Different kind of affirmations, whatever you want to, whatever you like to say, that you are the best person, you wanted all the good things in your life, all the money is coming to you, all the problem will go away, you are a stronger person. Any kind of affirmation you wanted to say, just go on speaking and see what happens. And so implement in your life, and please do share comments how it works, how it is effective in your life. So see you then in another video. Bye bye, and do subscribe my channel. See you then. Take care.